Hello Fabian. Hi Michael. Hi Stefan. Thank you, Guillaume. Hi James. Actually, it's less than 4 years. In 3.5 years, we will have 1 million euros. It's not a guarantee. I just have to say that. But that's the goal. Hi Dan. Welcome back. All right, welcome to another week of Market Making a Million. It's April 11th today, and it's the 30th time broadcasting this challenge. So it's been a couple of weeks since the last live cast. We have been rebuilding the studio here, and for you that will mean some better sound quality, a better looking stream, and also in a couple of weeks you will see my beautiful face in this live stream as well. So that's the plan. We are looking to also extend the content that we are displaying here in this live cast. So and also we'll change the day of this live cast. So there will be a lot of changes regarding this live cast, this weekly live cast in the coming weeks. But hey, it's been 4 weeks since the last live cast. We have had great results, so let's just look through them today. And yeah, actually I could give you a preview of the studio. Let's see. It will look something like this, and my face will be here. So looking forward to that. It will be a better experience for you. All right, so here are the results of 2021. This is a weekly chart, so every point on this chart is a week. We have made a total gain of 4,792 euros, and that is with the contract sizes that are stated up here. So this chart is visible on our website. You can also see the monthly chart, which I'll show you in the next slide on our website. So out of all 20 algos, 6 are in negative for 2021, and 14 are in positive. The best algo this year is the IBEX, and then closely followed by the DAX M3 algo. Here are the full results since the start of ProRealAlgos. We started on May 20th last year. So these are the results on a monthly basis. This is a monthly chart, and each point is a monthly gain. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 positive months and 2 negative months. And April so far looks good. So this will probably be another good month. Let's see about that later. Right, so these are the results of this week. We made a total gain of 1,065 euros with 27 wins and a win rate of 77%. It's a comeback for the US 100 algos this week. The US 100 M2 algo that has been having trouble the last 4 weeks made a total gain of 567 euros. And the US 100 M5 ProRealAlgo Plus algo made a gain of 361 euros. So these two algos made a total of over 800 euros. Yeah, so if we go to this chart, you can see that these are the weekly chart of this specific account. We have made a total gain of 118%. And that means that we have more than doubled the account equity since start on August 2nd. We started on 5,000 euros, and now we're up at close to 11,000 euros. So what we have communicated since the start is that we are continuously increasing the position sizes. What we actually have done is not to increase the position sizes until today. The reason for this is we started actually on August 2nd with, I believe it was 12 algos, and since then we have increased the number of algos to 20 algos. So in that sense, we are increasing the exposure to the markets. Also, the market indexes are much higher now than they were in August 2nd. So that means that every percent means a lot more points and a lot more gains. So we have not had any reason to increase the position sizes until we have reached this level where we are at now. So here are the position sizes that we have been running until today, and these are the position sizes that we are going to start today. Or actually, we have, I believe it's 13 positions open over the weekend. So what we will do is we will start the new algo, the new position size on every algo once their current positions are exited. So we are waiting for every algo to close their position before actually starting the new algo with the new position size. So on average, we have increased the position sizes by 1.5x. So for example, you can see here on DAX M2, we used to run it on 1 contract, and now we will run it on 1.5 contracts. We have not started the Nikkei algo yet. The minimum position sizes of this algo, of this index, is still too high for the equity of the account. We will, however, start it when increasing the position sizes next time. And there's one more algo. It's the SP500 M5 algo. We are evaluating this algo and have not seen that it has been performing well over 1 million bars. We have tried to re-optimize it to find better in entries and exits for this algo, but we have not been able to do that. So we are a little bit unsure of this algo at this point. So that's the reason that we're keeping the same position size on this algo until further notice. All right, so you did see this one. We had a really good period the last, actually since the start of 2021. Also, you can see that this chart have some differences from the chart of the first image here. This is the one that's visible on our website. The reasons for this is that the Nikkei algo is started on this account. Also, for the Marco Making a Million account, there have been times where the account equity have not been allowed for new positions. So that have meant that we are missing some trades on some algos. So there are some discrepancies. They are explained by 3 things. It's one, we run a little bit of the position sizes that we are running are not exact the same. We are not running the same algos, and there are some trades missing on the accounts due to the security margin, as well as just general execution errors, slippage, spread differences, and so on. So there are often discrepancies between the accounts just in general, but that's the reason that you won't see the exact same curve on this account as you have done on the chart that you see on our website. All right, so let's look through the results this week. I have prepared the new instances of all algos. They are down here with increased position sizes. So what we will do is when the latent positions close, we will start the corresponding algo with the new position size. And actually we could start some of them already now. I will do that later, but let's just look through the results of this week. PRA plus CAC M5. No trades this week. PRA plus OMX M5. Oops, it's a little bit laggy here. Let's see. No trades this week. PRA plus DAX M5. One win. PRA plus US 100 M2. It's very slow today, this account. Oh, so this is what I was talking about earlier. 2 wins, a total of over 600 euros of this. Also, this is actually a discrepancy between the percentage results. The percentage results here is actually higher. Oh, sorry. Also, I'm getting ahead of myself, but as you see, we are running all algos on this account on the British pound currency. This currency is a little bit higher than the euro currency, but the results presented here is in euros. So that actually means that we are running a little bit higher leverage than what we would do with the €1 currency. So that's it. But I think actually the results of this one is actually better than presented in the weekly results. Yeah, I'll check that later. PRA plus Dow M5. One win and one loss. Small loss. PRTA US 100 M30. No trades this week. PRA plus US crude. One loss this week. PRTA DAX M3. No trades this week. PRTA FTSE M5. One loss. PRA plus US 100 M5. One, two, three, and four wins. PRA plus SP 500 M5. Two wins. PRTA STX EM5. One win. PRA plus IBEX M5. One win, one loss. PRA plus FTSE M5. One, two, three, four, five wins. PRTA DAX M2. No trades this week. PRTA SP500 M3. No trades this week. PRTA FTSE M30. One trade, one win. PRTA DAX M30. No trades this week. PRTA Dow M5. One loss this week. Yeah, and that's it. All right, so that's the results of this week. It was very slow, ProRealTime today. I'll have to check that later. All right, so thank you for tuning in to the livecast. In the coming weeks, you'll see a big improvement of the livecast. Also, the content will be better. So, thank you for listening, and talk to you again next Sunday. Bye. Then yeah, we of course all 20 algos that we're running are trend following algos. So actually they work good in strong bear trends as well, but we are looking to complement our trend following algos with some kind of mean reversion algos. So far we have not reached any breakthrough on that part. We are still developing code for that. Yeah, we are looking at it.